Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome to this video where we'll be learning about exception handling in file operations. If that sounds interesting, let's dive right in. So initially you had code that was reading from a text file, and this is the code. So if you don't know how to read from a text file or write from a text file, you can just watch the previous videos. The link will be attached in this video's description. So this is how you read from a text file, and you can see in my project structure I don't have any text file, so I'm trying to read from a file that does not exist. Maybe I can just put another line here which I can just say working fine. So I also believe that you know about exceptions, and if you don't know about exceptions, you can just watch the exceptions video or learn about exceptions and how to handle exceptions. So in this video I'll just focus on the common exceptions that occur when doing file operations. So one of those is when you try to open a file that does not exist. You can see I'm opening it in this read mode, because if you open a file in write mode and it does not exist, it will be created. So with read mode, the file has to be there for you to open and read it. So if I run this code, there'll be an exception, and that exception will be raised. You can see that exception is called a file not found error. And to handle this exception, we said that to handle exceptions, just use the try except block. So I'll just put my try there. Then this code, I'll put it inside the try block. Then I'll put my except block here. And the exception is called file not found error. Then I can just print the file does not exist. Like that. The file does not exist. So now if I run this code again, the file is not there. It will just, that exception will just be handled, and you have handled that exception. So you can see now the file is not exist, and my program will still continue working. So as I have said earlier, maybe that file was deleted accidentally. So instead of breaking your whole code, you can just handle that exception and continue the rest of your code. But you inform the user that the file that you're trying to access is not there. So this is one of the common mistakes or common exceptions that you will find while dealing with files. That is it for this video, guys. See you in the next video where we learn how to use the OS module to take our working with file skills to the next level. So see you there. Peace out.